Question 1. When turning right on a red light where permitted, the driver must first A. Slow down and continue. B. Stop completely and ensure the way is clear. C. Honk to warn pedestrians. D. Signal only if traffic is heavy. The correct answer is B. Stop completely and ensure the way is clear. Explanation. The code requires a full stop at red lights before turning right, and the driver must yield to pedestrians and vehicles with right-of-way. Question 2. If you must stop on a roadway due to a breakdown, you should A. Stop in the traffic lane. B. Pull over as far right as possible and turn on hazard lights. C. Leave the vehicle unattended on the road. D. Exit on the traffic side. The correct answer is B. Pull over as far right as possible and turn on hazard lights. Explanation. In case of mechanical failure, pull off the roadway, activate hazard lights, and ensure safety before exiting. Question 3. When driving near a public work zone, you must A. Maintain your speed. B. Obey all posted signs and reduce speed. C. Sound your horn at workers. D. Pass without slowing. The correct answer is B. Obey all posted signs and reduce speed. Explanation. Construction zones require drivers to slow and follow all temporary signs or flag persons for safety. Question 4. When approaching a vehicle stopped at a pedestrian crossing, the driver must A. Pass it carefully. B. Stop and check for pedestrians. C. Honk to alert pedestrians. D. Drive around on the shoulder. The correct answer is B. Stop and check for pedestrians. Explanation. Stopping ensures no pedestrians are hidden ahead. Passing a stopped vehicle at a crossing is illegal. Question 5. When entering a roundabout, a driver must yield to A. Vehicles entering from the right. B. Vehicles already in the roundabout. C. Pedestrians only. D. Vehicles exiting the roundabout. The correct answer is B. Vehicles already in the roundabout. Explanation. Vehicles already circulating inside the roundabout always have right-of-way. Question 6. When you hear a siren but cannot immediately see the emergency vehicle, you should A. Continue driving normally. B. Slow down and prepare to yield. C. Stop immediately where you are. D. Accelerate to clear the road. The correct answer is B. Slow down and prepare to yield. Explanation. Drivers must be ready to pull over or stop safely once the emergency vehicle becomes visible. Question 7. When leaving an expressway, you should signal your intention. A. As soon as you enter the deceleration lane. B. Only after slowing down. C. Once you have stopped. D. Not required. The correct answer is A. As soon as you enter the deceleration lane. Explanation. Early signaling informs other drivers of your intention to exit safely. Question 8. On a multi-lane roadway, the left lane is generally used for A. Slower traffic. B. Passing or overtaking. C. Parking. D. Turning right. The correct answer is B. Passing or overtaking. Explanation. The left lane is intended for passing, while slower vehicles keep to the right. Question 9. When two vehicles approach an uncontrolled intersection from different roads, the driver on the left must A. Proceed first. B. Yield to the vehicle on the right. C. Stop and wait for a signal. D. Accelerate quickly. The correct answer is B. Yield to the vehicle on the right. Explanation. The Highway Safety Code grants right-of-way to the vehicle approaching from the right at uncontrolled intersections. Question 10. When a vehicle starts to skid, the correct response is to A. Steer in the direction of the skid. B. Brake hard immediately. C. Turn opposite to the skid. D. Accelerate to regain traction. The correct answer is A. Steer in the direction of the skid. Explanation. Steering gently in the direction of the skid helps regain control of the vehicle. Question 11. If your brakes fail while driving, you should A. Shift to a lower gear and use the parking brake gradually. B. Turn off the engine immediately. C. Pump the gas pedal. D. Jump from the vehicle. The correct answer is A. Shift to a lower gear and use the parking brake gradually. Explanation: downshifting and applying the parking brake gradually helps slow the vehicle safely. Question 12. When following a motorcycle, you should A. Maintain the same following distance as a car. B. Increase following distance. C. Follow closely for drafting. D. Pass immediately. The correct answer is B. Increase following distance. Explanation: motorcycles are more vulnerable. Additional space ensures safe reaction time. Question 13. When entering traffic from a private driveway, you must A. Enter without stopping. B. Yield to all road users. C. Expect others to slow down. D. Signal only if turning left. The correct answer is B. Yield to all road users. Explanation: drivers entering from private property must yield to pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles already on the roadway. Question 14. When driving near a parked vehicle, you should A. Drive close to it. B. Leave enough lateral space. C. Sound the horn. D. Ignore opening doors. The correct answer is B. Leave enough lateral space. Explanation: maintaining lateral distance avoids collisions with opening doors or pedestrians. Question 15. At night, if oncoming headlights dazzle you, you should A. Look directly at the lights. B. Look to the right edge of your lane. C. Close your eyes briefly. D. Flash your high beams. The correct answer is B. Look to the right edge of your lane. Explanation: looking toward the right edge of the roadway helps maintain direction until your vision adjusts. Question 16. When turning left from a two-way street onto a one-way street, you should A. Turn from the center line into the left lane. B. Turn wide into any lane. C. Start from the right lane. D. Make the turn without signaling. The correct answer is A. Turn from the center line into the left lane. Explanation: the proper procedure is to turn from the lane nearest the center line into the left lane of the one-way street. Question 17. When approaching a vehicle stop to turn left on a two-lane road, you should A. Pass on the right if there is enough room. B. Pass on the left using the opposite lane when safe. C. Stay behind until it turns. D. Honk continuously. The correct answer is C. Stay behind until it turns. Explanation: passing on the right within the same lane is illegal unless a designated lane exists. Drivers must wait safely. Question 18. When driving in heavy rain, you should A. Use high beams. B. Reduce speed and increase following distance. C. Maintain normal speed. D. Use cruise control. The correct answer is B. Reduce speed and increase following distance. Explanation: reduced speed and extra distance improve control and visibility in wet conditions. Question 19. When a vehicle is entering an expressway from an acceleration lane, traffic on the main road must A. Always move over. B. Maintain speed. Merging vehicle must yield. C. Stop to allow merging. D. Speed up. The correct answer is B. Maintain speed. Merging vehicle must yield. Explanation: merging drivers must yield to traffic already on the expressway. Question 20. When driving behind a snowplow with flashing amber lights, you must A. Pass immediately. B. Keep a safe following distance. C. Drive beside it. D. Flash headlights to signal it. Answer: B. Keep a safe following distance. Explanation: snowplows move slowly and may scatter materials. Maintain a safe distance and avoid overtaking. Question 21. When a tire drops off the pavement edge, you should A. Steer sharply back. B. Slow down gradually before returning to the pavement. C. Accelerate to regain control. D. Brake hard immediately. The correct answer is B. Slow down gradually before returning to the pavement. Explanation: gradual slowing and controlled steering prevent loss of control when re-entering the roadway. Question 22. When another driver flashes their headlights at you, it may mean A. They want to race. B. They are warning of danger or overtaking. C. They are angry. D. It has no meaning. The correct answer is B. They are warning of danger or overtaking. Explanation. Flashing headlights commonly indicate warning or an intention to overtake. Always assess safely. Question 23. When driving in a school zone, you should A. Maintain highway speed. B. Observe the reduced posted speed limit. C. Overtake other vehicles. D. Sound your horn to alert children. The correct answer is B. Observe the reduced posted speed limit. Explanation. School zones require strict observance of reduced speed for children's safety. Question 24. When approaching a railway crossing with lowered gates, you must A. Cross quickly. B. Stop and wait until the gates are fully raised. C. Drive around the gates. D. Honk and proceed. The correct answer is B. Stop and wait until the gates are fully raised. Explanation. Crossing when gates are down or not fully raised is prohibited. Wait until they are open. Question 25. When approaching a hill where visibility is limited, the driver must A. Stay in their lane and avoid passing. B. Pass quickly. C. Drive in the center. D. Use high beams constantly. The correct answer is A. Stay in their lane and avoid passing. Explanation. Limited visibility zones prohibit overtaking. Stay right and drive cautiously. Question 26. When the vehicle hydroplanes, the driver should A. Brake firmly. B. Ease off the accelerator. C. Turn abruptly. D. Accelerate hard. The correct answer is B. Ease off the accelerator. Explanation. Reducing acceleration helps tires regain contact with the road surface. Question 27. When a driver encounters a flag person in a construction zone, the driver must A. Ignore hand signals. B. Obey the flag person's instructions. C. Speed through quickly. D. Stop only if traffic is heavy. The correct answer is B. Obey the flag person's instructions. Explanation. Flag persons control traffic in work zones. Their signals must be obeyed at all times. Question 28. When parking downhill without a curb, the front wheels should be turned A. Toward the roadside edge. B. Away from the roadside edge. C. Straight ahead. D. In any direction. The correct answer is A. Toward the roadside edge. Explanation. Turning wheels toward the roadside edge prevents the vehicle from rolling into traffic if brakes fail. Question 29. When crossing an intersection and the light turns yellow, you should A. Stop if you can safely do so. B. Accelerate to clear it. C. Continue without slowing. D. Turn on hazard lights. The correct answer is A. Stop if you can safely do so. Explanation. Yellow means prepare to stop. Proceed only if stopping would be unsafe. Question 30. When passing another vehicle at night, you must A. Use high beams until beside the vehicle. B. Use low beams while passing. C. Turn off headlights. D. Flash high beams to signal completion. The correct answer is B. Use low beams while passing. Explanation. Low beams prevent glare for the other driver while you pass safely. Question 31. When passing another vehicle at night, you must When approaching a stop sign, a driver must stop A. At the stop line or before the crosswalk or intersection. B. Only if pedestrians are crossing. C. In the intersection. D. Anywhere convenient. The correct answer is A. At the stop line or before the crosswalk or intersection. Explanation. The complete stop must be made at the marked line or before entering the intersection. Question 32. When a pedestrian begins crossing at a green light, drivers turning right must A. Yield until the pedestrian has crossed safely. B. Turn ahead of the pedestrian. C. Sound the horn. D. Ignore the pedestrian. The correct answer is A. Yield until the pedestrian has crossed safely. Explanation. Pedestrians have right-of-way during their green signal. Turning drivers must yield. Question 33. When driving on gravel, you should A. Reduce speed and increase following distance. B. Drive as on pavement. C. Brake sharply. D. Follow closely behind other vehicles. The correct answer is A. Reduce speed and increase following distance. Explanation: loose gravel reduces traction, slower speed and extra space prevents skidding. Question 34. When your vehicle becomes stuck in snow, you should A. Accelerate continuously. B. Rock the vehicle gently back and forth. C. Spin the wheels quickly. D. Leave the engine running and walk away. The correct answer is B. Rock the vehicle gently back and forth. Explanation: gentle rocking frees traction without damaging tires or drivetrain. Question 35. When driving near farm equipment on rural roads, you should A. Pass immediately at high speed. B. Slow down and pass only when safe. C. Sound the horn repeatedly. D. Drive on the shoulder. The correct answer is B. Slow down and pass only when safe. Explanation: farm machinery travels slowly and may be wide. Pass only when the way is clear. Question 36. When leaving your vehicle parked on a public road, you must A. Leave the engine running. B. Set the parking brake and remove the key. C. Leave it in neutral. D. Keep lights off. The correct answer is B. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Explanation: parking brake engagement and key removal are required for safety and theft prevention. Question 37. When driving in strong crosswinds, you should A. Steer firmly and reduce speed. B. Drive faster. C. Brake suddenly. D. Keep windows open. The correct answer is A. Steer firmly and reduce speed. Explanation: strong winds can affect stability, reduce speed, and firm steering maintain control. Question 38. When entering a tunnel with reduced visibility, you should A. Driving on dry pavement. B. Visibility is reduced by rain or snow. C. Traffic is light. D. The roadway is straight. The correct answer is B. Visibility is reduced by rain or snow. Explanation: low beams improve visibility without glare. Slower speed allows for reaction to hazards. Question 39. When approaching a vehicle with flashing blue lights, it is likely A. A snow removal or road maintenance vehicle. B. A fire truck. C. A police vehicle. D. An ambulance. The correct answer is A. A snow removal or road maintenance vehicle. Explanation: in Quebec, flashing blue lights indicate a snow removal or road maintenance vehicle. Question 40. When making a U-turn, it is prohibited A. On curves or near hill crests. B. On straight, clear roads. C. In parking lots. D. In daylight. The correct answer is A. On curves or near hill crests. Explanation: U-turns are illegal where visibility is limited by a curve or hill. Question 41. When passing through an agricultural zone, a driver should A. Expect slow vehicles and animals on the road. B. Maintain maximum speed. C. Use high beams constantly. D. Drive in the center. The correct answer is A. Expect slow vehicles and animals on the road. Explanation: agricultural areas often have slow-moving machinery or animals. Extra caution is necessary. Question 42. When a traffic light is not working, you must A. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. B. Proceed without stopping. C. Yield to the largest vehicle. D. Flash headlights. The correct answer is A. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. Explanation: inoperative signals require all drivers to stop and proceed in order of arrival. Question 43. When merging into traffic, you should A. Match your speed to traffic flow. B. Stop at the end of the lane. C. Enter at low speed. D. Expect others to slow for you. The correct answer is A. Match your speed to traffic flow. Explanation: matching the speed of flowing traffic ensures smoother and safer merging. Question 44. When stopping at a railway crossing with no barrier, you should stop no closer than A. 5 meters, B. 15 meters, C. 1 meter, D. 10 meters. The correct answer is B. 15 meters. Explanation. Stopping 15 meters from the nearest rail ensures clearance for passing trains. Question 45. When overtaking another vehicle, you must return to your lane. A. When you can see the entire front of the passed vehicle in your rearview mirror. B. As soon as you pass its rear bumper. C. Immediately after overtaking. D. Without checking mirrors. The correct answer is A. When you can see the entire front of the passed vehicle in your rearview mirror. Explanation. Seeing the full vehicle in your mirror confirms safe clearance before returning to your lane. Question 46. When driving through an intersection and an emergency vehicle approaches, you should A. Stop in the intersection. B. Clear the intersection, then pull over to the right. C. Remain stationary. D. Reverse immediately. The correct answer is B. Clear the intersection, then pull over to the right. Explanation. Drivers must first clear intersections safely before yielding to emergency vehicles. Question 47. When a driver's view is obstructed by snow or frost, they must A. Drive slowly with limited visibility. B. Clear all windows before driving. C. Use the rearview mirror only. D. Rely on wipers alone. The correct answer is B. Clear all windows before driving. Explanation. The handbook mandates full visibility. Windows and mirrors must be cleared before travel. Question 48. When approaching an intersection with a flashing red light, you must A. Stop completely and proceed when safe. B. Slow down only. C. Drive through. D. Yield without stopping. The correct answer is A. Stop completely and proceed when safe. Explanation. A flashing red has the same meaning as a stop sign. A complete stop is required. Question 49. When approaching a curve on a slippery surface, you should A. Reduce speed before the curve. B. Brake sharply in the curve. C. Accelerate through. D. Shift to neutral. The correct answer is A. Reduce speed before the curve. Explanation. Reducing speed before entering a slippery curve helps maintain traction and control. Question 50. When driving in dense fog, you must not A. Use high beams. B. Reduce speed. C. Use low beams. D. Increase following distance. The correct answer is A. Use high beams. Explanation. High beams reflect off fog droplets and worsen visibility. Low beams should be used instead.